Alright guys, so today we're gonna be riding on my scooter, another POV on my scooter. You see, this is my scooter right here. And then, yeah, let's get into it. Alright, now let's go. I'm finna head out right now. Whew. Alright, let's get to riding. Alright, to start wondering why I have been gone for a while. I went on a trip, so like I haven't been recording when I was at it. So like, yeah. So this is it's I'm back though. If I disappeared, that means it's only gonna be for a little bit, for now. Unless I post something about it, saying that I'm gonna not be uploading for a while. Oh yeah, on the scooter. I'm just gonna ride around for today. Yeah, that's it. So y'all could get like a quick view of whatever it's called, me riding. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Yeah. So I'm riding around. Let me turn around real quick. Yeah, I'm just riding around. Yeah, I've been gone for a while. I noticed I've been getting some new subscribers. Speaking of subscribers. Yeah. Oh yeah, pretty sure, yeah, that's why I've been gone. I was on a trip and I didn't record, but it's alright though, cause this is out now, and this is not just like a one-time only video. I'm gonna be posting more of my scooter. So yeah, we could get to it real quick. I'm just riding around, nothing too much. Oh my gosh. I almost missed the exit, bro. Let me know if y'all could see the handlebars, because I don't know about that. I'm gonna guess not so. Hold on. Let me fix it. Oh yeah, it should be good right here. Alright. If y'all want me to hill bomb, like just going down a big hill on the scooter, just tell me in the next video I'll do it. The next video I'll probably do it. I'm finna sit down, bro. Bro, I'm so lucky this scooter has brakes. I'm so happy this scooter has brakes. And yeah. If this didn't have brakes, I would be going this fast and not being able to stop. That would be like just not good. Because while I'm right here, if I gotta stop because there's a car, oh my god, I can't stop. They're gonna have to wait for me. I mean, like, it's alright because I have the right of way anyways. Yeah. Alright, let me just stop talking and yeah. Yeah, I really do be enjoying it. It'd be fun. Y'all should get a scooter. It's I know what scooter it is. I'll reveal it in a different video. This 12 miles per hour. Like, bro, when I be sitting down, bro, and like leaning forward, it be. Oh my god. I'm finna go back. Good thing they were going slow, cause my hands were not on the brakes. My hands were nowhere near the brakes. I was like this. Alright, let me stop talking. Let me leave y'all to watch this video on y'all own. What am I doing? Alright, so I just found the perfect camera angle, bro. I don't know why I'm not talking now, bro. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy right now. Hold on. I'm just like too happy, bro. Anyways, something just got in my shoe. I don't know what is that? There's something in my shoe right now. Oh, that's part of the shoe. Must have around me or something. Psych. Alright. No, actually, no. Ow, that hurts. There's something actually in my shoe right now. Alright, I got it out. Bro, why did my scooter turn off again? Is there like auto turn off or something? Cause every time I just stop, I'm not turning it off. So like it's doing it by itself. I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, it's like a rev scooter. You gotta go like this to make it move. I finally get the perfect camera angle, bro. I feel so happy. Hey, sneak peek. Wait for that video. I'm finna unbox some new Yeezy foam runners. Y'all just wait for it, bro. Oh my god. I did not see you. I did not see him, bro. Oh my god, why is it so bumpy right here? It's so bumpy right here. Oh. Don't ask why I'm swerving. Oh no! I almost went in the grass. Skirt! no. I had to. There was something in the thing that I had to go around. Bro, this scooter goes so slow when it's going uphill. Bro, this scooter goes so slow when it goes uphill, bro. Alright, but I'm crossing the road. Oh, wait, I need to go on this side. Almost forgot. Oh my gosh, it's so bumpy right here. On the brakes. And let's go this way. Back. Oh no. You know, I'll go this side. I'll go this side. Alright now. Only 2 minutes? I need to record more. It don't matter. I'm gonna just go now. Y'all be careful, watch for the video. Achoo! Ugh. Thank you. Yeah, what? Achoo! Oh my god. Thank you. Sidewalk again. Oh my god. Yo. That was serious. Again, I think I just blew my motor. Remember from like the last time I did this? I said I blew my motor. Yeah. I didn't blow it. I didn't blow my motor. If I did, how would my scooter be moving right now? Like that would be making like 0 cents. Like literally, I've been like trying to say, like almost everything I say on here is a joke. Not almost, but like some things I'll just like randomly say, it's mostly just like a random joke. But yeah, if there is a random joke, I'll edit. When I edit, I'll put hashtag joke on the screen. Yeah. Now I'm just waiting. I'm finna go back home. I'm about to go back home. Bro, if the camera quality was like the best, you guys would see the smoke from Canada. Don't ask why I keep looking backwards. I'm just trying to make sure there's no cars behind me. Don't worry. I got it though, Don't worry about it. Can I cross this? Yeah. Alright, now we're just gonna full throttle it. Hey, watch the stopping, I'm finna get ready for this. Watch this. End of the video. Deuces. Peace.
You guys still gotta remember to subscribe.